coming up in today's video. Welcome to episode 5 of my fall crock-pot series. Today I'll be making a pumpkin spice cake with cream cheese frosting, so let's get started. I'm going to start on the cake batter. First, I'm adding spice cake mix. I'll be adding a little bit of water as well as some canola oil. I'm going to add in my eggs. I'm sprinkling in about a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. And last but not least, I'm adding in some pumpkin puree. I'm blending all of my ingredients together until they're nice and smooth. I'm going to line my crock pot with a slow cooker liner, and this just makes for easier cleanup, and it also makes it easier to remove the cake later on in the process. I'm just gonna pour my batter right into the crock pot. Here's what it's looking like. The batter can also be shaken up a little bit to level it out before you start cooking. Now I'm just going to cover it up and I'm going to set the timer for 2 hours on high. And here's what we have after 2 hours. If the cake's not fully done, you can also cook it a little bit more. I am removing the entire crock pot insert and I'm going to set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to fully remove the cake and I'm going to give it time to completely cool down. While the cake is cooling, I'm going to start working on my frosting. I'm going to take some cream cheese, a stick of butter, some powdered sugar, as well as some vanilla flavoring. And I'm going to whip all of these ingredients together to make a nice fluffy frosting. Now that the cake is fully cooled, we're going to go ahead and get started with the frosting. And so I'm going to very carefully start adding the frosting because the cake is very crumbly. So I'm going to try to disturb as little crumbs as I possibly can. I'm just adding a few pecans as a topping. This is what I had on hand today. Walnuts can also be used, or you can just go without any toppings at all. Then I'm just going to slice right into this cake. As you can see, it's very bouncy, it's very moist. Just a really fun fall dessert to make. If you made it this far in the video, please drop a spoon emoji in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you so much for watching. As always, happy cooking.